Why English top creator earning more money from YouTube? Because the English creators channel is very high for RPM, and CPM is very high. Because if your video will go hit from USA and Canada, then you will reach more people from all the world, and the ad will run from the other country, and your earning is very high from YouTube. So that they start and creating top content in English. Creating English content is very difficult, but if you will not quit, you will go rich, and you will become best creator in the world. So never quit. You will go always successful in YouTube. This video is my viral video. You can learn from this video and share and like from this video. I hope you will understand and learn from to this video. Thank you so much.